vanilla and rum cake. Take note of the following recipe. Once the butter and sugar are creamed, add the egg yolks and vanilla, mix to incorporate well. Then add the flour at low speed and little by little. Each portion of flour added is well incorporated before adding the next. If self-rising flour is not used, for each cup of flour add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a separate bowl, beat the egg whites until stiff. The beaten egg whites are added in 3 or 4 parts and gently fold beaten egg whites into the cake batter. Avoid over-mixing or beating hard so as not to break the air bubbles and lose the volume gained by beating the egg whites until stiff. Pour the mixture into a greased mold. The mold is filled halfway because the cake grows a lot during baking. In a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, bake the cake for about 50 minutes. When removing the cake from the oven, let it stand for 5 minutes before unmolding, and while still warm, moisten it with a syrup prepared with 1 cup of water, 1½ cups of sugar and 1 ounce of rum. Wrap the cake well and let it cool before decorating.